Apple's brand new iPhone 16 models come with a super cool camera control button that is located on the lower right hand side when holding the phone in the portrait mode. What makes it so handy is the ability to let you adjust photography settings when shooting with the iPhone in both portrait and landscape orientation. That said, it's time to learn how to perfectly adjust camera control button pressure on iPhone 16 models. So to get us started, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to select Accessibility option. And under the Physical and Motor section, you have to choose the Camera Control option. And now you have three options to choose from, such as Default, Lighter, and Forward. And finally, you have to select the Preferred option, and you are all set. It's worth pointing out that the light press on the camera control button engages a haptic click to access settings like zoom and exposure, which you can adjust with a swipe. And using the double light press gesture, you can switch between all these settings and choose the individual options with a further light press. However, if you are having trouble engaging the light press functions, or you find that the button is a little too sensitive for you, you have the full freedom to fine-tune the level of pressure that it responds to. And if you feel that it's overly sensitive, you can make it firmer as well. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily adjust the camera control button pressure on your iPhone 16 models. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and updated. Bye-bye.